Tenacity Overlanding started really when I wrecked my car, whole front bumper.
I think we were talking about bumpers for what, almost 2 months before that, right?
Yeah.
And then we decided to go out and it was a snowy day and you got a little
slid down a hill, hit the bank. From there, really, I just decided that it was time to build a new bumper. So we got into the project, built new bumpers, and then we thought, you know, we enjoy what we do enough that we wanted to try and turn it into helping other people as well, and it just escalated from there.
Just like everything else, whenever you start building bumpers and start having ideas, then it just kind of snowballs. And you know, we ended up, you know, fixing a couple things else on our rig. We ended up not only doing fronts, but also rear bumpers for clearance. We ended up using a special Kevlar coating on both of our rigs to help protect them against the elements. We decided to, you know, bring our knowledge and experience, you know, Russ having all his bodywork experience and fabrication experience, and mine too, be able to bring that together and culminate it into a community and be able to help each other and help the community and other overlanders with this.
The experience of those 26 years in the collision industry, combined with a lot of restoration projects that I've been involved with and done as well, owning a business, owning a bedliner business, and windshield repair and replacement business, wrapping it all into our passion and turn it into a business. Help other people enjoy the same things we enjoy and help them with their vehicles. You're going down gravel roads with all the rocks, they're hitting your rocker panels, you got rocks coming up on the front end of your vehicle, and being in the industry as long as I had, that's where all the damage happens. That's the hardest thing to combat. With automotive paint, it just doesn't provide the protection that our custom Kevlar coating will provide. We're going to also do some other coatings as well that will help if you don't like the look of the textured coating, that'll help combat the damage on your OE finish as well.
You know, when you guys use your rigs and you get those Rocky Mountain pinstripes, is what we like to call them, when you get those, sometimes they buff out, sometimes they don't, and this coating and everything helps protect that, because you don't want to have a premature paint failure, which leads to rust, which leads to other problems. We also want to bring, you know, some customization to everybody. We have people reach out to us for skid plates, for bumpers, for camper builds. That's what we want to do, is be able to take someone's ideas and make it a reality rather than just focusing on one aspect.
There's people that want to do this on a very, very tight budget, and there's people that want to spend a ton of money. So we're trying to really help people from every aspect of that, and they bring us their ideas and we'll help them bring them to life.
You can enjoy this culture and a lot of the experience without having to spend a lot of money, and that's where kind of all stemmed from.
Yeah.
I learned how to drive in my dad's truck in, you know, farm fields, getting it stuck in the mud, getting out of the mud, and you know, we have a lot of history whenever it comes to this, just with our own vehicles, not to mention working on other cars and making sure that everyone else is trail ready too.
The most enjoyable part of this is just being out here.
Whether you own, you know, an 80s, 60s truck, or if you own a brand new 2019, we want to make it to where the culture accepts everyone and you don't have to be a elitist to be able to enjoy the off-road. We want to be here for the weekender, we want to be here for the everyday type people, and you know, that's what we're doing.
On our YouTube channel, we'll end up doing builds, we'll do our off-road adventures that we do. We live in one of the most beautiful states, I believe, in the country, which is Utah, which is the door to so many places to off-road. We're gonna have some great stuff, some cool content, so follow us, subscribe, share, like.
Let's make a community out of it. You know, we love your guys' ideas and inputs. And
we don't know everything, but we're here to learn as well, and you know, hopefully we can provide you some value that's useful to you guys, and having a great time.
Yeah.
A bunch of morons, a couple rednecks.
All right, guys, well, stay tuned. We got projects on the way.